Good morning, good morning. Mahaganathipataye Namah. Good morning to all. Yesterday and day before yesterday, I didn't took the class because I'm out of station. There is no network over there properly. So that's why I can't take the class. Good morning, Bhumisha. Good morning, Akanksha. Still I need to complete these quadratic equations. Then we will be left with one more chapter, pair of linear equation in two variables. From first onwards, revision starts. Revision schedule will be given to you on the reopening day. Daily 2 subjects only. Daily 2 subjects only. 4 periods 1 subject. 4 periods 1 subject. And last one is either PT or class test. Last period either PT or a test. It will be planned like that. Good morning, Neha. I am not going to explain quadratic equations in the class. I told you already. Everyone need to join the classes. It was scheduled. So after reopening day, immediately I will start pair of linear equation in two variables. So everyone need to join the class. Many of them are not joining. That means they are losing quadratic equations. Right. Mahaganathipataye Namaha. I am going to explain it now. We already done 4.1 and 4.2. Now 4.3. Solving a quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Solving a quadratic equation by quadratic formula. The general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Okay. See, the aim of this chapter is to find out the quadratic roots of quadratic equation, finding the roots of quadratic equation by different methods. Actually there are 4 to 5 methods, but we have only 2. One is splitting the middle term, the other one is quadratic formula. Splitting the middle term I explained it in the previous class. If anyone missed out, you can see the video which is already available in the channel. You can go through it. And we solve the problems from 4.2 also basing on splitting the middle term. Now we are into 4.3, which is depending upon quadratic formula. First of all, actually the proof would on the derivation. Derivation for quadratic formula would on the but is not there in the syllabus. Derivation is not there in the syllabus, so I am leaving that one. Just I am giving you the formula. Finding the roots of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is what we call quadratic formula. Okay, where a, b, c are the coefficients of the quadratic equation. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant. Just you need to take out those values and substitute in the formula, simplify, done. Problem is done. Let us see an example. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, and we need to find out its zeros. Now just if we compare the general formula, the general form and the given quadratic equation, if we compare them, we can observe that a value is 2, b value is negative 7, c value is 6. Is that right, children? If we compare the general form of the equation and the given quadratic equation, if we compare them, then x square coefficient is a, which is 2, x coefficient is negative 7, and constant is 6. Okay, good morning. Now just what we have to do, just substituting the values. Substitute the values. X is equal to minus b. B is given negative 7. Minus b. Minus b. B is negative 7, minus b. Plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now simplify this. Minus of minus 7 plus 7 root over 7 plus or minus root over 49 minus 48. 49 minus 48, which is 1 by 4. 49 minus 48, 1 by 2 2s are 4. Root over 1 is 1 only, na? So the result is x is equal to 7 plus or minus 1 by 4. That means 7 plus 1 by 4 is 1 root. 7 minus 1 by 4 is another root. 7 plus 1 by 4 is 1 root. 7 minus 1 by 4 is another root. So 8 by 4, 6 by 4, 2 comma 3 by 2 are the roots of 2 comma 3 by 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay, na? Understand, children? Understood? No answers? Understood, children? Okay. We will see one more equation like this. We will see one more. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. See this equation. Now compare the general form of the equation and the given equation. Compare them. What is A, what is B, what is C, children? What is A, what is B, what is C? I didn't see Sampath Gaur, Kavindra, Ishan Abraham is there, Ishan Paita, Charmi, many are absent. A4, B4 root 3, C3. Yeah. A4, B4 root 3, C3. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Just substituting the values. Minus b, that means minus 4 root 3. plus or minus root over 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 4 into 3, 4ac, 4 into 4 into 3. Now simplify this. Minus 4 root 3 plus or minus root over, what is 4 root 3 whole square? What is 4 root 3 whole square? What is 4 root 3 whole square, children? Four root 3 whole square, you need to square it 4 as well as root 3, both. Yes, 48. 4 square 4, root 3 whole square is 3. 4 root 3 whole square, it becomes 48. Minus 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 48. By 2 into 4, it becomes 8. So if you observe a value in the root, observe a value under the root, root over 48 minus 48, 0. So we will be left with x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 4, or not 4, 8. Minus 4 root 3 by 8. Because root over 0 is 0 only. Minus 4 root 3 plus 0, minus 4 root 3 only. Here I need to give plus or minus. Okay, now 4 1s are 4 2s are, x is equal to negative root 3 by 2. But children, x value we got only 1. But as per the conditions, each and every quadratic equation is having 2 roots. But we got only 1 here. A quadratic equation aina 2 roots untai, but we got only 1. We got only 1. Then what about the 2? See, whenever we observe, whenever we see this value under the root is 0, whenever we got the value b square minus 4ac is 0, we will get only one root. That is what we have to observe. Okay na? Whenever we see the value b square minus 4ac which is under root b square minus 4ac, I will talk about it more on the particular value after completion of 4.3. First, we need to అర్థం చేసుకోండి అంటే ఎప్పుడైనా b square minus 4ac value if it is 0, then we have to come into a conclusion that we will get only 1 0. Now we need to think about another 0. What is another 0? See, another 0 is also minus root 3 by 2 only. That means the given quadratic equation is having 2 zeros which are equal. Is having 2 zeros which are equal. This happens only when b square minus 4ac is 0. ఎప్పుడైతే b square minus 4ac 0 వస్తుందో, to that particular equation we have 1 means equal zeros. Why we have to say 1? We will get equal zeros. 2 same zeros. We will get 2 zeros, both are same. That is రెండు అనొచ్చు లేదా ఒకటే అనొచ్చు కదా. We can say 1 only 1 0, or we can say both are same zeros. Okay na? Very very important point. Whenever we observe b square minus 4ac value is 0, we can say that the given quadratic equation is having 2 zeros, both are same, equal zeros. Okay. Now, We'll see one more. We can say equal zeros. Then b square minus 4ac is 0. We'll get equal zeros or equal roots. Equal roots. Yeah. See the question? X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Solve this quadratic equation and find its roots using quadratic formula. Okay, x minus 1 by x. So what we have to do? Take out LCM. X square minus 1 is equal to 3. X square minus 1 is equal to 3x. X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. After simplification, what we got? X square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so we got a quadratic equation and this is the general form. Is that right? This is the general form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, general form. Now we need to write the values a, b, c. First, children, what is a, what is b, what is c? First, compare with the general form and tell what is a, what is b, what is c. Compare with the general form. A1. What you put it registered. A1 okay. What is B? What is C? A1, B negative 3, C negative 1. Correct. Hamsini. A1, B negative 3, C negative 1. Now write down the quadratic formula. Minus B plus R minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substitute the values. Minus b plus r minus b square minus 4ac. C negative 1 by 2a. 2 into 1. Okay, now simplify. Minus half minus 3 plus 3 plus r minus root over 9 plus 4 by 2. 9 plus 4 we got. 9 plus 4. Is that right? What is 9 plus 4? 3 plus r minus root over 13 by 2. What is square root 13? What is square root 13? 13 is not a perfect square. 13 is not a perfect square. So we have to leave like that only. We have to leave like that only. Don't do anything. Okay, children. Now, the two values, but the two roots are 3 plus root over 13 by 2. The another one is 3 minus root over 13 by 2. The two roots of the given equation are 3 plus root over 13 by 2, comma 3 minus root over 13 by 2. Just you have to leave like this. That's all. No need to do anything. Okay. Next one. Next one. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Good question. Rahman ఎందుకు నా పేరు తీసుకో. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను అనుకోండి at present my age is x. At present my age is x. What is my age 3 years ago? What is my age 3 years ago? At present my age is x years. 3 years ago x minus 3 years, correct? And 5 years hence, 5 years hence, what is my age? 5 years hence, what is my age? Yes, x plus 5 years, correct? Now I know my present age is x years. 3 years ago it was x minus 3 years, and 5 years from now it is x plus 5 years. What I am doing is, what he is asking to do is, the sum of the reciprocals of my age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. That means I have to take out the reciprocals of these two. 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x plus 5. Reciprocal of my age 3 years ago is 1 by x minus 3. Reciprocal of my age 5 years after is 1 by x plus 5. And if I add these two, I will get 1 by 3. This is the question. If I add those two, I will get 1 by 3. That is the question. Now I will give you 1 minute time. Go through the question and try to understand this concept. Sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. That is the question. So did you understand the question? Sum of the reciprocals of the age of Rahman 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Understand, children? Can I go ahead? Can I move forward? Did you understand the question? Okay. Now, take out LCM. X minus 3 into x plus 5 is LCM. So here I will get x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Is equal to 1 by 3. Now simplify. 2x plus 2 by this one, x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. When we multiply these two, we get this one, x square plus 2x minus 15. Now do cross multiply. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 2. Now simplify. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 6x plus 6. Now bring this one to this side. X square plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. Bringing RHS part to LHS. Now simplify. X square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Compare this one with the general form of the equation. Compare the equation with the general form. Now tell me what is ABC? What is ABC? What is ABC? A1, B negative 4, C negative 21. Substitute in the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus r minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b minus half minus 4 plus r minus root over b square minus 4 into 1 into negative 21 by 2 into 1. Simplify, children. Simplify it. X is equal to 4 plus r minus root over 16 plus 84. 16 plus 84 are 4 21 are 84, 4 square 16. You get root over 100, is that right? By 2. 4 plus r minus 10 by 2. 4 plus r minus 10 by 2. So the values are 4 plus 10 by 2, 4 minus 10 by 2. And 7, negative 3. So the roots of equation are 7 and negative 3. Here we cannot take negative value now because x is the age. X represents the age of Rahman. So age cannot be in negatives. Age negatives lo undadu kada. So we need to take only positive value, that is 7. So the present age of Rahman is 7 years. 3 years ago it is 7 minus 3, 4 years. And 5 years from now is 7 plus 5, 12 years. So the present age of Rahman is 7 years. 3 years ago it is 4 years. And 7 years means 5 years from now is 12 years. Okay, children. You can observe that 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12 is 1 by 3 only. You can see that clearly. That is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. 12 LCM. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 12. Which is 1 by 3 only, na? That means our problem is right. The value what we got is right. 3 years ago his age was 4 years. And 5 years from now his age is 12 years. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12 is 1 by 3 only. Okay. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll go ahead with this. I want to complete this chapter in the holidays only. Only 4 people likes. Only 4 likes. Why? You didn't understand the lesson. Out of 36, half of the class is joined and half not. Okay. Kindly note down the names Akansha, who is joined and who is not joining, and send it to me now. I'll send a message to the parents. The following students have not joined the class since long time. I'll send a message to the parents. Okay. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. Mahaganadhipataya. You can leave now. Nice only. Thank you very much to all.